What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add color swatches to your product page on Shopify. To do so, you need to install a certain app. So let's say you are offering a certain product and you have color variants. In this app that'll show you, you'll be able to add color swatches selection so that the customer can select the color that he wants. So let's get here. First of all, you need to click here on apps from the menu on the left. And then click here, the search bar will appear. Type in color swatch, hit enter. It'll open up the Shopify app store where it'll search for like the apps where you can add color swatches or color variants. And here you can select any one that you want. However, make sure there are two things available. It's highly rated and it's like 4.9 or 5 stars. And it has a free plan available, or it's free. So in this video, I'll explain to you on this app, the BSS product variants options. It has a free plan available and it's highly rated at 4.9 stars. Click on it. Now click on install. Click on install once again. And now the app is installed. Now you can go ahead and select the steps to enable the embed block to be able to add the app block or the element block onto your Shopify store's theme settings. Create your first option set and then add the advanced feature if you want to. Now here the first step is to activate the embed block and then go ahead and select your first color set or color swatch and then click here to continue the options.